What's the damn deal? It's your boy Delonzo coming live from that H. How y'all doing? I appreciate all the love y'all been showing me on all my videos. Alright, we're gonna keep turning up. We got another video for y'all. Kodi Lee sings Sound of the Silence. I've been a big fan of Kodi Lee ever since America's Got Talent, and I have other reactions of him. If y'all haven't seen them, y'all can go check them out. They're in my previous videos. But we're gonna react to this. I'm pretty sure it's gonna be amazing as all his other videos have been. So let's get straight into it. Kodi Lee, let's get into it.
Hello, darkness, my old friend. I've come to talk with you again, because a vision softly creeping left its seeds while I was sleeping, and the vision that was planted in my brain still remains within the sound of silence.
His voice is beautiful, bro.
In restless streams I walked alone, narrow streets of cobblestone, neath the halo of a street lamp. I turned my collar to the cold and damp, when my eyes are stabbed by the flash of a neon light.
And it's like he doing this effortless. This is amazing, yo. I actually don't know what the song from and whoever sings it, but it's an amazing song.
With the knife and touch the sound of silence, and in the naked light I saw 10,000 people, maybe more.
Like it.
People talking without speaking, people hearing without listening, people writing songs that voices never share, and no one dare disturb the sound of silence. For said, you do not know.
This one is clean, like it's like flawless. You know what I mean? It's like the voice is perfect. Piano keys going crazy, man. It's amazing.
Silence like the cancer grows. Hear my words that I might teach you. Take my arms that I might reach you. But my words, like silent raindrops, fell and echo in the wells of silence. And the people bowed and prayed to the neon god they made, and the sign flashed out its warning in my words that it was forming. And the sign said the words of the prophets are written on the subway walls and tenement halls.
Yeah, he killed
whispered
that.
In the sounds,
yeah, that was amazing.
Of silence.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I loved it, man. Loved it. It's crazy. Alright, y'all, that was Kodi Lee, Sound of the Silence. Amazing as always, man. It's a crazy. He's blessed, man. Blessed with that talent. He can sing, he can play the piano, man. I'm pretty sure he can play an instrument if he wanted to, man. Dude is excellent, like a craft. It's like a craft of the art, man. For sure. Like, I appreciate all the love y'all been showing me, though. And if y'all want me to react to more videos, just let me know in the comment section below. It's your boy Delonzo, and I'm out.